Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you my finds of the day. Now these particular items are all fluorescent, as you can tell, and they're all of varying ages. Mostly all of these things are old and preheat. There's only two things here that are not preheat and are electronically ballasted. So let's go ahead and start with these GE Circle-Line replacement bulbs. And there's not just one here, or two, there's three. And I picked all these up for $1, as you can see. Now these particular bulbs have an attached bracket to them, which is used with the GE Circle-Line 100 and 150 products. Now what those did is, it was like a ballast that would slip into the middle here, and you could get one level of light, being the 100 model, or 150 if it was a three-way replacement type model. So these are the replacement bulbs for those types of fixtures, or actually not fixtures, but adapters. And I believe I found one of those adapters a while back on a different finds of the day, a long time ago, a brand new one. So this is the type of bulb that it would have taken. Now, I have many of the ballasts that are used with these bulbs, but I don't have many bulbs, so it was pretty cool to find these. And I got all three because for $1 a piece, they're pretty hard to find. So it was really cool to find them. So we just have the front of the packaging here. It looks like they were originally sold at a Kmart, all the way marked down to $1.50. I'm guessing people didn't really have this system. But on the back here you can see an example of what one of these adapters was. Of course it can be ceiling mounted as well, but it slips on to the ballast and that's about it. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and take it out and look. Oh, there's an original sticker. They wanted $10 for it way back in the day. So there it is. Your ballast would slip into the middle here and you'd plug it in. I'm guessing SW is for soft white. Let's see, there's usually a little etch on these. Yep, there it is. Pretty cool. Pretty dirty as well. So put that away. Next up, we have these two GE Compacts fluorescent bulbs. I got each of these for 50 cents a piece, so $1 for the two of them. You can tell this one is pretty dark. It's not as bright as this one is, as you can see. So this one has had a lot of use, where this one hasn't had a lot at all. But these I've done videos of many a time on my channel. Of course, they're the compacts, probably made by Panasonic for GE, made in Japan, good quality stuff. 15-watt preheat, so we have the ballast up here and a starter and the tube and all that stuff. Of course, this one is the exact same thing, just not as heavily used as the other version there. Maybe it wasn't even used at all. This one doesn't have any bug droppings on it, but they both work. Now these two here are pretty cool. I believe these are made by Mega Man or something like that for IKEA, and this was way back in the day when they started making CFLs. And as you can tell, it was a simple loop with the exhaust tip there, where they would of course exhaust the air and put the mercury vapor inside of the tube. Both of these are the exact same thing, again 50 cents a piece. Pretty cool. Now the tubes look pretty dark on camera, but they're actually not that dark in person. I think this one was used a little heavier than this one. But pretty cool bulbs. I really like the design of them. Again, being a very early CFL, these are 11 watts a piece, so maybe a 40-watt incandescent replacement or something like that. But what I was going to say, being an early electronic CFL, even these preheat ones, obviously those, have plenty of mercury in them, so they get to full brightness very fast. Unlike the CFLs of today, or yesterday, I suppose you could say, with all the LED stuff going around. And finally, I have this Powerwise mini fluorescent nightlight. It was $2. And the reason I picked this up is because once I saw it, I knew exactly what this was. I have one of these, and I did a video of one of them on my channel. Now, I don't think I knew at the time what the maker of this particular nightlight was, but I know it's preheat. Yes, it is preheat. So on the back, you can see some pictures of where you could use this item. Some information here on the bottom, and it's American Power Products Incorporated. Now I have a small fluorescent floodlight by them, a CFL bulb, that I believe is 5 watts or something like that, made by the same company, and they seem to make pretty good quality things. Now, they're not around anymore. I believe if you go to that web address, it just takes you to some weird place. But a very cool nightlight. So you can kind of see the tube inside, and we have a giant capacitor and a starter. And that's basically how the, fixture works. Now, like I said, I have a video of one of these on my channel. I don't remember what I called it, but I took it apart, and you can see the insides and how it works. So, I think I'll do a video of a couple of these items. But anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video of my finds of the day. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.